Welcome back to Odom's Homestead. Today, all about the herbs, baby. Let's get them herbs harvested and get them dry so we can go ahead and use them. First up is going to be this dill. You know, dill is good for digestive health. It's good for bone healing, and it's an antimicrobial, so which helps fight bacteria infection. So I'm going to show y'all how I do my dill. Field has grown a lot. I'm gonna take a lot. And when the cucumbers get ready, we already got dill ready waiting on it. So I got my bundle. And all I do, I take me some twine. I can get it to find out where it's unraveling from. It's a good piece so I can hang it. Scissors that. And I just take my dill. You can dehydrate any way you want. I know some people use paper bags. Some people use dehydrator, which I use dehydrator too because I have a dehydrator. Sometimes I just hang them, let them dry on their own, and use them whenever I need them. That's what we're gonna do with most of this what we got today. We already got a lot of herbs that we harvested this year. So now I got my bundle of my dill. Oh, it smells good. I wish this was smell-o-vision. Here's my chocolate mint. You know, chocolate mint helps with digestive health. It helps with respiratory and antioxidants. It gives you antioxidants. So chocolate mint is a real good herb to have, like most herbs. You can see I got a field here, so I got a lot I got to cook back.
thousand, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
This is one reason why I like growing all my herbs in the ground, because I always got herbs, more than enough. Herbs heal you from a lot of things. Yeah. Big bundle. Big bundle. Herbs. Chocolate mint. Now, let's do this just like we did last. Get some strength. Like this a couple times. Put knot in it. Not cut. So far, we got a dill and a chocolate mint. We'll leave them right here for a second, and we're gonna get some more herbs. And we're gonna chop with these monsters here. This lemon balm. This lemon balm is helps with anxiety and stress relief and antiviral. So yeah, we're gonna get this lemon balm. You see, it's a lot. It's a lot. So we gotta work turn that for. Let's get it. One thing you worry about lemon balm, not too much stuff grows up underneath. It don't leave too much space for nothing. It grows, son. A few needles, but not much. The lemon balm really grows. Okay. That's the mess of lemon balm. Okay, still clean. This right there, there's oregano. I need to get that, but I've harvested so much oregano. This beginning of spring is unreal. We have way too much. We don't really need no more right now, so I'll let that grow until next week, and I'll get that cut. Yeah, let's get this bundled up. We got a whole mess. Of lemon balm, whole mess of chocolate mint, and a whole mess of dill. Still got a lot more dill. Oregano everywhere. I only got this patch. I got a patch down there. I got 2 huge patches over by my peach tree. So yeah. We got that done. And since we ain't got no rain in the forecast for the next few days, I'll just leave them here tied up on the fence to dry. Thank y'all for tuning in. Once again, it's Odom Homestead down here in Growing Zone 7B, Tennessee. Y'all stay blessed.